This is In the Wild with Chris, and right now I'm down in southern Belize visiting my father and his wife. Right behind me, out here, I have about 50 miles of rainforest going all the way up to the next town here called Independence, a big creek. And in this video I'm going to show you what to wear when you go out in the jungle. And I'll take you for a little walk out there, see what you find plant-wise and animal-wise. So you're thinking, okay, this guy works in IT, what does he know about the jungle? I lived here myself in the early 90s, and my father's a geologist who's done a lot of prospecting, and I've been with him on several expeditions and out prospecting in the jungle. And so I think I've gained a little bit of experience on how to act and what to wear and what to carry with you. Well, for a start, you don't go out in the jungle wearing stuff like this. You want to wear long pants and some sturdy but still easy drying material. I prefer to use a nylon belt, since leather has a tendency to stretch when it gets wet. And in the rainforest, you will get wet. Also, you can't wear sandals. That's a big no-no. You want to wear boots or rubber boots to protect your feet from snakes and missteps. You don't want to sprain an ankle out there. You can wear them either tucked into your boots, and that's not because it looks cool or anything, but it's just to keep ants and insects from crawling into your boots. Or I prefer just to have pants that tighten around the boots. And I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt to protect my arms. Also a moisture wicking fabric, because like I said, it's going to get wet out there. You get sweaty, there's a lot of rain and moisture, and this protects my arms but also dries very quickly. And last, wear a hat. It protects you from the sun, but also from insects and vegetation getting stuck in your hair or in your head. It's about 30 degrees centigrade. We have an air humidity of 90%, and so why do you wear all these clothes? Well, it's mainly to protect yourself. I mean, out here in the jungle we have stinging insects, we have spiders, scorpions, snakes, but we also have the plants, very sharp thorns on plants. There's sap that are a bit corrosive and will burn you if it touches you. So just to protect your skin and make you a little bit more comfortable when you're out there. Well, that was my thoughts on clothing for the jungle. So come along, I'll take you out there. When you're walking through the bush, you want to watch where you put your feet. There are a lot of holes like this. You don't know what kind of animal is going to pop out of that, but you can also sprain an ankle and get stranded out here. Also look out for snakes and such. While snakes are quite shy, one thing you have to look out for here is killer bees or Africanized bees. Very aggressive sort of bee that attacks people for very little reason. So I always keep a listen for a buzzing of bee swarms. Well, the mosquitoes are circling me. I sweated off all my bug repellents, so I put on this net, and it seems to work pretty well. So I found this spider. It's known as a banana spider. I'll add the Latin name later on. Now here's an example of these really prickly thorns you want to beware of when you're walking out here. Even at home you get these little critters from the jungle. Here the scorpion I found by my sandals. This also shows the importance of shaking out your shoes when you're in the tropics. Well, I hope you found this educating, maybe even amusing, and gives you something to think about what you bring along when you go out in the wild, in the jungle. Well, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.